Hi everyone, it's the 21st of May, and you can see the purple support is now broken by ES, but it is forming this little golden bull flag. Two touches here and two touches there. It's bouncing. What bulls have to do is basically they have to keep control of this golden bull flag, but they're also, of course, this blue bottom band support. They should defend it. And I think they will. And I think it is going to recover, break that golden top band, and rally to new highs. SPX cash is kind of the same story. It's this Red Bull flag that has formed, and I think this is going to keep going. It's actually also testing that blue bottom band right there. So one, two, three, four touches on the blue bottom band, two touches, three touches here. I can also argue that the top band could also be something like this, just like the other chart. So I'm going to remove this blue one because this is a little bit more precise. Okay, so this blue bottom band is much more precise than the other one, and yeah, the top band is a little bit different compared to the other one. But you can see two touches here, two touches there, and the red bull flag has formed, and I think this is going to keep on going. And of course, if it breaks the red top band, you want to buy this, but it has to break back into the purple broken channel and keep on going after breaking the red top band. If it breaks the red bottom band, that will change things abruptly, because then it may even break that blue support, which would open the way for a deeper correction. And we will cross that bridge when we get there. I don't have a kind of a, yeah, whether it can break or not, but if it does break, then it would turn things short-term bearish. Dow Jones has also come down. You can see here the golden internal support, and we have the golden bottom band. If it touches the golden internal, like the bottom band, it's going to be around 42,100, or just, sorry, 170 or so on the futures chart. And as long as this golden spin-off channel is holding, there is more upside all the way to 44,000. But of course, we need to watch out. If that golden bottom band breaks, then we will have to, well, basically see whether the next support could be, which would be this one. But I'm not there yet. We're not there yet. So I'm going to just keep this one, keep an eye on that one. Dow Jones Cash, yesterday or the day before yesterday, it had broken the blue bull flag, right? So, and then it came down, tested the green and blue double support right here. But then later on, it broke down both of them, which turned things short-term bearish. You can see as soon as this one happens, you have to get out of that trade. And the green one, the blue one, they were both broken, and we're now going to see a test on the golden bottom band. If it touches and if it holds, then we're going to keep on running. And of course, we have a kind of a support here, right? It is getting tested right now. So that navy support is holding, right? That was like 1, 2, 3, 4. If it holds, and do we also have another kind of a bull flag here? Just let me put this into perspective. Yes, the red one. That is really good, right? So the red top band, it has two touches, red bottom band. We need to run and break out of this, just like this one. So the red top bands break, especially if it holds, if it bounces here, and it is bouncing a little bit, has to get to the red top band and run with it, and then it would basically go over 43,000. NASDAQ is still inside the golden uptrend. It had broken the blue resistance and backtested here. So I'm not really expecting a break of this blue and golden. It would shock me if bulls could lose control here and we break down both. I think it's very unlikely. And I can also see a kind of a sideways channel that is forming, which is this one. So the red, blue, and golden. The red one would be around 21,150 on the futures chart. And together with the golden, red, and blue, that would be a triple support, and then it rallies after that. Similarly, on the NASDAQ cash, golden top band, tested 3-4 times, made new marginal highs, but now it's coming down. Is it going to form the same red kind of spin-off, like bull flag here. If it touches the red bottom band, of course, the golden internal support and the golden bottom band. So I'm going to remove this one, right? This golden support needs to hold together with the red, and then it rallies off that level. And then the X cash, it would be around 21,090 or so, or maybe 80, 21,090 or something like that. Russell is testing the golden bottom band, which is not holding at the moment. It is kind of holding, like we'll see. But of course, one then I would have to, I would have to put this one into perspective as well, right? If that one doesn't hold, it comes down and then rallies off that level. So we'll see. But of course, do we have a resistance here? So just like this one, yeah, that's the resistance. So my guess is that it could even form this purple bull flag. So if it comes down really hard, touches 2050, 2055, somewhere there, that golden plus purple double support, and then run to break out of the purple bull flag. That is the ideal scenario. FTSE is running and it is almost at a new all-time high. It had bounced off the triple support, cleared the red resistance once again. Of course, this is all tariff news. Then we clear the blue internal resistance or short-term resistance. Now it's getting closer to that blue top band for the fourth touch. If it can push on and break it, then it's going to get to 9,000 plus, 9,500 or so. And DAX is forming this golden bull flag. You remember the black resistance, right? That was broken and back tested. We got to the blue top band, pulled back, then we broke the blue top band. That's a bull flag breakout. Now, yesterday and today, it formed the golden bull flag. Three touches on the bottom, two touches on the top. Okay, the opposite. Three on the top, two on the bottom. And now it's bounced off it without breaking the blue and red. That's why I think we're going to run to the golden top band and break out. And that would actually, it's already long here with stop. If you're buying here, your DAX stop would be around 23,800, 810 or something. Okay, that would be below the red and blue and golden supports, all three of them. And that would, of course, it would be turning very bearish if it breaks both of them or all three of them. But at the moment, I think bulls are back in control and they're going to smash that golden top band and run. And I'm going to talk about TLT here. It is trying to bounce off this blue support right there. It's still a touched 85. You can see it is really forcing that blue support, which is not very nice to see, honestly. And I'm going to put the weekly chart here. And yeah, are we going to see the lows of 2023? I really, doubt that we're going to see that low, right? This is 2004, right? Is it going to test this support? Right, it would be kind of that one here. I don't think that blue support is going to break, so I'm going to switch this one to purple, right? That purple support rail, and I think this is a really big fight for the blue support. If it starts to run and gets above 87, 88, I think then after that it will really clear that green resistance and really start a very big bull market. Now, similarly on the 30-year Treasury bond, it is testing that blue potential support. It is testing it right now. And we'll see whether it bounces off this level or the last chance would be that golden bottom band. I don't think that golden bottom band will be broken anytime soon. And yeah, I don't think if we break it down, that would be the end of the bulls, really, for the bonds. And yeah, it would skyrocket the interest rates. So, and I don't think that's going to happen. You can see oil black resistance is broken. It's going to get to that golden top band and break it, I believe. And if it does break above 65.50 or even like 67, that would clear that purple resistance as well. And oil, Brent oil had also cleared the black resistance right there. And if it can break that golden resistance, which is spectacularly precise, look at this one. So if it can clear that, we're going to get to 73. So that level is 68.50, that breakout level. Gold had bounced off the purple support, the red bull flag, the green bull flag, the golden bull flag, and then yesterday I showed you the blue bull flag, which was broken at 32.50, and it got to 33.30, almost there. It's filling this gap. That was my call, and I said if it breaks this blue bull flag, then we're going to run. I think yesterday's video did we have the blue bull flag? I think we did, but either way, there was also like that resistance. Sorry, that resistance was there, and once it broke, there was no coming back. And gold continuous futures is the same. The blue bull flag was broken after the bounce off the purple, red, green, golden, and now the gap is going to get filled. The question is whether it can get to the red top band and ultimately break it up. That's the big question, and we will see. And silver has broken out. This is extremely, extremely important. The black resistance broken and back tested, and silver is now making marginal highs. This is a runner now. Silver is a buy signal right here, and on the silver continuous futures, it's the same. This black resistance is broken. You got to buy silver and the silver miners. And don't forget, I made the video on mining yesterday, and I posted it again today. The black bull flag, perfect black bull flag, is now broken. I think there is a little bit of a chance. So let me show you here. Okay, this could also turn into a bull flag. So if it gets to the red top band, pulls back, let me put this in golden color, right? This is a very low probability, but if it gets to the golden top band, it may still come down to the golden bottom band. Low probability, as I said, because the black resistance is gone now. But if it gets there golden, pulls back, back tests the black, and then rally to break out, we're going to get to 35.50 on the continuous futures. Platinum made its move. This is why we bought it at 1008 yesterday. I told it in the video. Now it is forcing this golden top band. This is perfect resistance right there. Now you can see it's stalled there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's stalled there. But I think we will break that because this is a massive, massive breakout. It's been years since we had the breakout, or it's been years since it was inside this blue downtrend. This is the first part of the trend. This is the second part, and now we have broken out, like massive breakout. Look at this red bull flag. This is a breakout, and there is no turning back from this. I don't think there is turning back from this. It's a massive breakout, and we're going to get to 1350. Especially, let's go back to the 8 hourly, especially if that golden top band breaks, then platinum is going to be uncatchable. Platinum continuous futures is the same. Look at this, green bull flag is broken. That there is data missing here, which is stupid, but it's the data on the 8 hourly right there. I gave you the black and red double resistance, and I told you to buy at 1015. Look at this, what happened after that, right? It got to 1070 from 15 to 70 in one day. If you're not buying this, I don't know what you would buy, really, because I've been telling it for a long time. Green downtrend is broken. That's why I think platinum is not gonna stop for a long time. Clearly, we have a little bit of resistance here, but even that one is kind of damaged. You can see that navy resistance has to be broken. Natural gas had come up a little bit because it broke out of this. There's a little bull flag. I can show you here. This one is broken. That's why I think, and there was a gap here, and which was supposed to get filled anyway. So is it going to run and come down eventually and break the blue support? Hard to say, but I think we need to watch this golden channel on the continuous futures. This is what matters. And if it comes down and breaks the golden support, that's it. So natural gas is going to sell off big time. And copper, 1, 2, 3 touches on the blue resistance, and 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the green. So as I said yesterday, 472, you got to buy at 472. It didn't touch it yesterday because of that green and blue double resistance. If it breaks 472, this is a green bull flag. We're going to run, and I'm going to add to my long. Honestly, this is going to be a really big ripper. Green top band this here is broken, like kind of a golden triangle is already broken, and that's why I think copper is going to run big. Palladium, I told you many times that palladium, you got to buy palladium, especially at the break of the wedge. Then 935, there was some news. 935 was revisited without breaking the green sideways channel to the downside. It rallied, it cleared the blue resistance, and finally it cleared the green sideways channel, which is a bull flag. This is now gone, and I added to my palladium, and my 994, I think, is my average, and the breakout is now happening, and I don't think we're going to drop below 1,000 for a very long time. Not 1,000, excuse me, 990. 990 will not be revisited, and I think we're going to get to 1,150, 1,170, somewhere there, that purple top band. And if, of course, if it breaks, then 1,250 is next. Euro is, of course, one of the best calls. If you had bought euro right here at 111.11, and then green bull flag, and the purple resistance is broken too now, you can see the green bull flag. Well, this is just too easy. I mean, billions of dollars trade, right? Trillions of dollars, billions of dollars every day. And the lines are so precise. And you can see the buying level here. The purple resistance is broken. This is only by trading channels, nothing else. And easy. And pound sterling, red bull flag was broken. Then the golden little bull flag is broken. What happens now here is very important. The green top band held. 1, 2 touches there, 2 touches here. Clearly, right, look at this beauty. I told you that green top band is the next, and we did test it. Now, if it can break, then we're going to get to long term, we're going to get to 140, 145. US dollar, Japanese yen, reversed at the purple resistance. This is the breakdown. Almost back test, now it's coming down. And of course, the target is 140 still. So this is a bear flag that is broken down. And DXY, of course, is coming down as well. I've been bearish on the US dollar for a long time, since the break of that green support, actually. If you can remember, that's 107.50. Then it came all the way to 97. Since this, I think some of you would remember. And Aussie is now getting closer to that golden resistance, 1, 2, 3. I'm still long Aussie, and I'm going to add to it if it can break the 65 level, 65.10 level, right? 65, 65.10, it is going to fly. And Kiwi is off that blue support, and this consolidation will be over soon, and Kiwi is going to get to 61, 62. Right, now let's have a look at coffee. Cleared the green resistance, got to the black top band. This is a little bear flag. But if also it is back testing the green. So which one is going to tell the truth? Is it the green support holding, we rally and break the black? And that would be a long entry. So if the bear flag breaks to the upside, that is bullish. And I think the golden top band may be ignored entirely, and we get to the purple and even smash that. But there is a chance for it to come down and break the black bottom band, which would target 350, and that would be another buying chance. Okay, the blue, the red, they're all supports, and the golden bottom band is also a support. So this golden and that golden, of course, is different, but there are too many lines, but every single line is meaningful. The red one, golden downtrend, blue support, golden potential downtrend, green support, the purple resistance, and the black bear flag. So every single one means something according to trading channels rules. Similarly, on the on the July contract, I can put that black one here. I think I forgot to put that one there. Let's put that black one there, right? So this is the one. And of course, if it breaks the black bottom and we come down to just around 350. Wheat is making a big move. Honestly, I was thinking it's going to come down to 480, but it is breaking out. So the question is whether it's going to fake it like this, or do we include that fake in the chart like this? Okay, it's very hard. Honestly, I don't have a rule for that. Without that fake, it looked amazing as a downtrend, right? It looked really perfect. So that fake, well, basically spoiled the entire chart, really. But I'm going to just keep it just tongue in the cheek moment, whether this is the red channel is still intact and it is going to come down. So I'm going to put it on the July contract. The red golden resistance is now tested. The green one was broken, so I'm going to remove this one, right? The red one was broken up, which was bullish, of course. So what matters here is that whether it's going to get to the golden and then come down again to 500. That's the question. Soybeans is up, of course, off the blue support, and it's going to fill the gap, which is what I called yesterday. Yeah. And soybeans July contract also the same, off the red support, and the blue bottom band didn't even get tested. Corn out of the red downtrend, of course, which is kind of cautiously bullish here. Okay. But yeah, the green downtrend is still very much intact. So I don't think we can do anything right now until that breakout. And the July contract is right here. And the red downtrend is broken, but the green one may hold to bring it back down. And do we also have a kind of an uptrend here? Yeah, we do. Maybe like if we put it in the golden, this could become a bear flag right there. So this one, okay, right? So yeah, I mean, if it sells off or sells off, touches that green plus golden and then comes down. Cocoa is almost at the green. I mean, it touched that green, I think. 1, 2, 3, almost got there. Now it's pulling back a little bit. And on the July contract, the black top band is broken. The green one, every single one has broken out. So that's why I think cocoa has more upside, because you can see the back test on the black. And that's why cocoa has more upside. Of course, the blue, green, everything was broken. So sugar is trying to bounce off the blue support, and I think we're going to break the golden top band and run. Yeah, I'm still holding the sugar from 1780, and this blue top band needs breaking for sugar to run to 1950. And cotton is going to get to that red bottom band possibly and then rally, and that's around 64.50, I think. All right, now let's have a look at Bitcoin. Black top band got tested. It couldn't be broken, but it got tested for the third time. So this is very, very positive. Of course, the fourth time is going to break if it tests it there again. Ethereum had broken out of the purple downtrend, which is a bull flag, and this is now looking good. So we'll see, but it looks good because of the bull flag breakout. The target is 2,900. Solana off the black internal support, and do we have a little bull flag here? I think we do. Bear with me. I'm going to do it here. Yeah, we have a bull flag, and the golden top band's break would become a buy signal. So you got to buy that breakout. Monero, of course, touching new highs every day. That, I gave you at 185 at the break of the green bull flag, back test 185. Look at this beauty. And the red bull flag, 225 breakout. I told you to buy it or add it, 225. Then the black resistance, of course, was broken. Nothing surprises me on the Monero side. AVAX is off the golden support. That is looking good, and it is bouncing off that golden support. And AVAX is targeting 40 plus. Ripple, green bull flag, right? It hasn't formed yet. Aave is out of that green and blue. So this is looking extremely positive. Obviously, there was some news on Aave, I think, signaling renewed strength and Ethereum therefore TFL surges. Uh, so as key reasons, there were some reasons. I don't care. It has done the job. Zcash, black support, 1, 2, 3. This is amazing. So that black support is holding. I'm still hoping that this green resistance will break and Zcash is going to run big time. ACH is off the purple support. Now it needs to run and get to the purple top band and break it around 3.2 cents. Doji, well, I don't know. It has, yeah, it's trying to break this golden internal resistance. Ultimate target is 130 still. ADA is off the green support. It needs to break the golden and then black and then green. So this is a really tough task, but if it does break the green top band especially, that's an uptrend broken to the upside. That would be very, very bullish for ADA. And Phantom has to break the blue resistance. We haven't seen that yet. FET is a little bit up and targeting the green around 130. I think ultimately that purple and green, they're going to be tested and we'll see whether it can break or not. Jasmy still hasn't made a move to break that golden resistance. That is around 24, 25 cents or 2.4 cents. Algo has to break the golden downtrend. This is a bull flag and this needs breaking. Audio, not much movement here as one of the losers. Aero slightly up and the green bull flag was broken to the downside, but it's broken back. So I'm not sure what it's trying to do, but the fact that the golden uptrend, so the blue channel's breakout was a bull. I gave you the 44 cents breakout. It got to almost 80, right? Yeah, 80 cents, 79 cents. And now it's broken down. So we don't know if whether there's a new uptrend forming, where this correction can come to, honestly. And Chainlink is inside this, like it's out of the purple downtrend. Obviously, this is looking very good. And Mana possibly inside this blue uptrend. So if it touches the blue bottom band, then we rally. And I think ultimately we're going to get to that green resistance because this correction is over. And Binance still okay. Is there a kind of an overhead resistance here? Maybe a little bit. Not really very precise, is it? It's very spiky. And Chili's is okay. Has to get to the green top band and break it. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. This failed. And CKB, no action yet. Coty, no action to break the purple resistance. Dash, black downtrend. It has to get to the green top band and break it. Data, red support, green support. Dot, red bottom band, red top band. It's going to back test the purple support and rally. EOS, green downtrend is broken and back tested. So, and that's why it is going to run. Red downtrend is broken and back tested, and I think it is going to run to the green top band ultimately. And 1, 2, 1, 2, golden support, red downtrend. That they are both broken out. Hedera has to break out of the purple downtrend. IOTA, blue downtrend, blue. They're both broken out, so that's why it is looking very, very positive. And CAS, golden downtrend or bull flag is about to be broken. And purple broken support or purple broken bull flag. I can also argue that it is forming a new, probably a new bull flag like this. Okay, this is a new one. So I'm going to put it right there. So this could become like, if it gets there, pulls back and then a breakout, it would break that green top band, I believe. MDT, no break into the green. So that's not good. NIA is inside the purple downtrend. PAL has to break the purple top band. Pepe hasn't broken that red and blue, and the red one, sorry, the blue one is a potential bear flag, of course. Got to be careful there. RSR is looking good inside the black uptrend. Sandbox has to stay inside the golden uptrend, and if it does break, I think Sand may come down further. So that is a little bit disappointing. There is no momentum, and Songbird has to break the golden top band to run. Shiba couldn't break the green resistance, and SKL is inside the red downtrend, so that needs breaking out, and that can give us a really big signal for all altcoins. If SKL breaks 2.8 cents, SUI LK, it has to bounce off the green and then rally. Tau blue downtrend is broken and back tested. That's why I think ultimately it's targeting the red top band at 800. Theta looking okay after the break of the green, but it needs to push and get to the blue top band from here, and I think ultimately it will. Carpathia backtesting the black broken resistance, and it is still above it. You can see here that there is a chance to rally at least to blue and right around $5. TrueCoin has to get to the green, so there is not much action since yesterday. TRX looking still long term extremely good. Right? That golden support, red bull flag, green bull flag, the blue, the purple, every single one, they're all broken. That's why TRX is looking awesome. And Uni has to break the purple top band. Yeah, that is really the case. Yeah, that purple top band break would be awesome for Uni. Ondo is off the golden support. It needs to break the green top band at 120. And Stella has to break the green perfect downtrend, which is a bull flag. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This, it doesn't get any better than this for a bull flag. Anything above 32 cents, you got to buy Stella. All right, guys, take care. Keep in touch. Bye.